In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Yahoo your homepage. If you want Chrome to open straight to Yahoo every time you launch your browser, this quick setup will do exactly that. We'll walk through the Chrome settings together and make sure Yahoo loads automatically when you start Chrome. Begin in Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner to open the main menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Control Center. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also type Chrome/settings into the address bar and press enter to get to the same place. Once you're in settings, look for the section labeled on startup. This area controls what Chrome does the moment it opens. By default, Chrome might continue where you left off or open a new tab page. We're going to change that so it opens Yahoo for you every time. Select the option that says open a specific page or set of pages. This tells Chrome you want to define exactly what appears when the browser launches. You'll see an option to add a page. Click Add a new page to create your custom startup page. A small window will appear asking for a URL. In the field, type the address for Yahoo. For most people, https://www.yahoo.com is the best choice because it takes you to Yahoo's main homepage with headlines, search, and quick access to mail and other services. If you primarily use Yahoo Mail, you can enter https://mail.yahoo.com instead. Make sure the address begins with HTTPS so it loads securely. When you've entered the URL, click Add to save it. That's it for the setup. The next time you close and reopen Chrome, Yahoo will open automatically. If you added more than one page, Chrome will open each of them in its own tab on startup. If you ever want to change this, just return to on startup in settings, switch to a different option, or edit the page you added. A quick tip: setting a startup page is different from the optional home button you might see on the toolbar. The home button takes you to a page when you click it, while the on startup setting controls what opens when Chrome launches. Today we configured the startup behavior, which is what most people want. If Yahoo doesn't open as expected, double check that open a specific page or set of pages is selected and that the URL is spelled correctly. Once it's set, you're ready to browse with Yahoo front and center every time you open Chrome.